Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you some tips on how we are going to choose our WordPress theme. Let's get started. Take note that WordPress theme is an important decision that can significantly impact the appearance and functionality of our own website. Thus, here are some tips in order for us to choose the best theme that we can apply. The first one is define your website's purpose. So clearly understand the goals and purpose of your website. Consider factors like type of content you'll be publishing, target audience, and desired functionality. This will help you narrow down the themes that align with your specific needs. Second is that consider simplicity and ease of use. Choose a theme that is user-friendly, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Thirdly, responsive design. So that means that you need to ensure that themes you choose is mobile friendly and responsive. With an increasing number of users accessing websites from mobile devices, it's crucial to provide a seamless experience across different screen sizes. Fourthly, customization options. Look at the theme that offers a good degree of customization options. Fourthly, customization options. It should allow you to personalize colors, fonts, layout, and other visual elements to match your brand and identity and preferences. Fifth, we need to read reviews and ratings. Check user reviews and ratings for the themes you're considering. This can give you insights into the theme quality, support, and overall user satisfaction. Look for themes with positive feedback and solid reputation. 6. Compatibility with plugins. If you plan to use specific plugins on your website, ensure that theme is compatible with those plugins. 7. Support and updates. That means that check if the theme developer provides regular updates and offers support in case you encounter any issues. 8 is that page speed and performance. Choose for a theme that is optimized for speed and performance. A fast-loading website improves a user-friendly and can be positively impact your search engine rankings. Ninth tip would be The ninth tip would be security considerations. When you say security considerations, choose themes from reputable sources, such as the official WordPress theme directory or trusted theme marketplaces. Themes from unverified sources might contain malicious code or vulnerabilities that could compromise the security of your website. 10th, but not the least, consider a premium theme. While there are many excellent free themes available, premium themes often offer additional features, customization options, and dedicated support. If your budget allows, investing in a premium theme can provide you with a more polished and feature-rich website. So there you have it. Take note that selecting WordPress theme is a subjective decision based on your unique needs and preferences. Take your time to explore different options, reviews, demos, and consider how well each theme aligns with your website's goal and vision. So those are the different tips that we can consider in choosing our WordPress theme. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.